check up tomorrow. Today we'll go to a different city. We'll take it there. We're at the bus. Another hour. On our way to Hotel Libre. Off to the hospital. Hanap lang kami restaurant. Laki. We're now at the hospital. It's my checkup tomorrow. May colonoscopy. Ano naman yun? JD's paying. So, I'll drink medicines tonight at 7. 6 a.m. May colonoscopy tomorrow. Nasa outlet kami. Na may kausap pa sa office. I need to drink my medicine. May colonoscopy ako bukas. Pinagtripan ako nitong si Jake. So, pupups ako tonight ng madami. No. Tonight is poop night. I have a colonoscopy tomorrow. 10 p.m. I need to drink this. Tapos ilalagay ko sa 473 something na tubig. Tapos bupups ako.
The next morning.
Morning, it is 8:45. It's colonoscopy day. Kagabi at 7 p.m. pinainom ako ng gamot pang poops. So poops ako ng poops. And then another one at 6 a.m. So I think we're ready. 10-minute walk to the hospital. Tapos maglamig. Ganda ang weather. Yung isa nilalamig. Ayan. Dito kami sa parang probinsya ng Korea. So if we compare it to Manila, parang Cavite. Ang ganda, pero walang traffic. Sobrang walang traffic. Unlike sa Gangnam yung hospital niya parang St. Luke's BGC. Sharon blood test. Okay, now brown bilis. Done with X-ray, now with ultrasound. So step by step siya. Not with all, just waiting for my endo and colonoscopy. Everything's done in 45 minutes. Palit ako ng pants na may punta sa puwet. Shit.
Oh my god, it's done. They found one mass and biopsy. So I'm still sleepy. Overall, since anesthesia 1 hour. But all in all, 1 polyps and 1 biopsy. I don't even know if it's cancerous. I'm still sleepy. I still have to do fasting for 4 hours. See you. Medyo hilo pa. It's baliktad. Sarap na anesthesia. Tulog lang ako. Wala akong malala. First time ko ma-anesthesia. Sobrang wala akong malala.
We're riding a taxi on the way to Gangnam. 1 hour. Kasi marami kaming dala bag. Nag-bus kami. 2 hours. 2 hours. Gutom na kami. Fasting ako until 4 p.m. And it's 10 to 3. Hassle. Off to the clinic kay High Pleasure. See ya. May consultation siya. We're done with Pleasure. May gagawin din Jade tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow at 12 noon. Wireless charging sa gitna ng daan. Ayan. Sa gitna ng daan. Galing. Looking for food. This is abalone congee again. Ito masarap to. What's yours? Bulgogi rice. What's your dinner? What?
The next morning.
Clinic day. Today's temperature mga 22 or 23. So shorts.
Raining. We're walking to the clinic.
We are here. Anong gagawin sa'yo?
Para magmukha akong teenager.
Kain muna ako while waiting for Jay. 2 pa siya. It is 1:05. Pa-start pa lang.
Masakit.
It's a bit hapdi, but antay pa ako ng prescription.
Oh my God. We're off to have lunch. Bili mo ng gamot. Where'd you all? This is for mommy. Sarap ng weather. We'll go to New Balance, 8 Seconds in Espao. And then we'll have dinner at BBQ. Maulan pa. We're eating at BBQ. Yan. Ito yung pasta nila. We're about to eat samgyup sa BBQ Yule. Bagong favorite ni Jade. Shoulders to. Noodles, pork, garlic, tsaka may konting oil. Hindi mo nilagyan ng gulay ito? Good? Very good. Kawa ko. So seaweed first. Put the pork, oil, salt, put some garlic, put some pasta. Nakikita ito. And then ito. Yan na yung halo mo. We're done. Sarap. Always. We ordered 3. Naubos namin lahat. Uwi na kami. Home. It is time to call it a day.
The next morning.
Good morning. Day 4 in Seoul. Punta kaming Pleasure. Ay, nakita ko na yung remote. We'll go Pleasure and then might have coffee and maybe Hanandong. Good morning. Day 4 in Seoul. Weather is, today is 20, lowest of 17, high of 23. So naka long sleeves, sneakers, backpack. Tsaka may dala akong half na jacket. Naka-tight siya. Jacket na manipis. Uniqlo. Ay, Uniqlo to? Maganda. Nike. Ayan. We're off to the clinic. See you.
Done with Pleasure. Off to Hanmyeok. Maybe parlor today si Jay. Back at Hanmyeok for lunch.
We're at Hanmyeok, waiting for our turn. We're at Hanmyeok.
Sarap. Pero mahal. Our bill is 137,000 sa mga gochang. Next stop is Lululemon. Katabi niya Nike. Lululemon's done. Next stop is Chanel for Warner. Off to the parlor. We're done. We're on our way to Muso sa may Gangnam area. We're at a different Muso. Tapos naalala na kami ng tao dito. Kinausap na kami. So yung nagluluto dito, kilala na kami. Take note ibang Muso kami. Sayang, hindi niya namukhaan niya kami. Our favorite. We're back. We're going home. Umabot kami sa Muso. Uwi na kami. We have grapes. Bye-bye.
The next day. The next day. The next day.
We are on our way down. Late na kami. Restaurant sa taas. Kalbi, egg, soup, tapos banchan. We're in Busan. This is Busan Station. Ganda. Olivia mo na. Welcome to Busan. Ang ganda ng Busan. May cruise, oh. So we go down here para sa Uber. But the view! Ang ganda ng view. The train, no?
Yeah.
The train.
Sky capsule. Let's see, makaano tayo.
Yeah, medyo parating puno yun eh. So, we'll try. Our Uber will be there. Yeah.
The beach.
Okay, bye. See you later. We're going to Blue Line Park. Yan. Ganda nito, but it's against the sun. Doon ang pauwi. Sobrang gandang picturean. We'll have coffee here. Cloud Me po. Ganda oh. So cute. Ganda oh. Ganda na interior niya. So nice. Bakery. There's bakery. That's coffee. Uwi na kami, but maglalakad kami 20 minutes along the beach. Lamig! This is the beach walk. This is the boardwalk. Lamig! That's where we had dinner. Time to go home. Ganda oh. Look. Ganda ng mga beer. Agendas! Belgian chocolate. Ayan, knotted. Oh. Ang ganda ng building. Bawat building may sarili. Pajon, no? Hila niya. Oh. That's very nice.
The next morning.
Good morning. Officially day 1 in Busan. We have a tour today and it's 20 degrees. May island daw dyan na mga Japan na. Hindi made of abalone shells. View. We're stuck. It's raining. Look. Kita. But ang lakas ng ulan dyan. Bagalan daw. Hiking kami. Off to the fish market. ulam. Pit ma. Number na. Okay. Okay. Nilagyan niya ng kanin. Sarap. Done with lunch. Best lunch ever. Ang sarap ng king crab tsaka grilled abalone with Korean sesame oil. Our
Gamechon yan.
gamit yun. Dito nakatira
Something like
yung aming tour guide.
Wait.
So, that houses cannot be reached by car.
Cheon.
Gamcheon Culture Village. Look at the houses. Sample house. It's 150 steps. Siya nakatira until 1988. The painter of this painting, that's the painter. So nice. Look how nice book is. And then, may bigla ang park here. May bigla ang park. Oh, ito. Loko siya. Ito yan. Pagod na. 2-hour rest. We're off to dinner. That's our ulam. We only found this in TikTok. Okay naman.
We just got home and we're tired. See you tomorrow.
The next morning.
Good morning, Busan. It is 7:20. Tulog pa si Jed. This is our walk at 7 a.m. Last day in Busan. We're going back to Seoul tonight at 6. So today we're going to some village na parang Santorini, about 30 minutes Uber ride. We are now at a cultural village, parang Santorini. Looking for food and coffee. We'll go to Jagalchi Market. We're back. These are from Russia. Thank you. Give us discount. Thank you. Ito yung dampa nila dito sa Korea. Dito nagluluto. Last day in Busan. Mall. Sweet potato na maliit. It's so sweet. Basta lagyan mo ng kimchi. Sarap. Sweet and sour. It is 2:30. We need to go back to the hotel. Maybe bring lang around the street. And then go to Myeongdong. Pauwi ng hotel is about 40 minutes via Uber. Or go up na. Masarap. I lost my DJI mic mini. Sorry, DJI mic 2. Baka naiwan sa taxi. I knew it. Hassle. We're on our way back to the hotel. It is 4:15. We're still early. Just few hours in Busan. Just walking by the beach. We're back in Seoul. This is Stanford Road. Liit lang. So small. Kaharap natin, Olive Young, oh. You say you're back in Musou?
The next day, the next day, the next day.
Ganda yung hair niya. Bumbog ko daw kagabi kasi makulit. Huwag ka nang nagyayaya kasi pag antok na ako. Yan.
Waiting for our Uber. Back at Pleasure. Look at my Botox dito. Dito and then dito. Ayan o. It's raining. Last meal in PPQU. Arninia. First stop.
I feel plastic yan. Parang mellow.
Ganda ng interior. Success. Got issues.
And then,
Followers.
kita habang nag-shoot na naglaban na.
Ayan na, Macy. Papunta na kaming March Sherwood.
Kailangan ko sa mapag-isipan. Kasi mahal sa mura.
First Macy and March Sherwood. Ready to go home. Sobrang weird.
Hindi maganda yung shirt.
Say bye! Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye. Bye po.
Parang nice meeting you po ulit.
See you in Manila.
The next morning.
8:20, last day today. We're headed home. Main maleta. That's our sako bag worth 10 kg. And that's her. Flex ko lang. New shoes. Saan yung pang-way?
T3 and Lenzo 30.
Kailangan kasama sa bus. Kami dito pa.
도로 미리 준비해 주십시오.